I'm hungry, Mom. Do you think we have any food made? Hopefully. We don't, so shush.
1 years later. Hey, that car moved a bit. It is starting to pick up.
They moved because the driver in front of them drove off a cliff because of this made.
Oh, wait, we are moving up again.